We're giving the Range Rover L322 some love. We got a little bit of an issue going on here. Our parcel shelf, as well as being a bit dirty, the car's mint. Otherwise, it's sort of lost its thing. So we're gonna have a go today. I'm doing a video of how to replace these pins. Right. So if you've got this problem, fold your parcel shelf up. Now I've not done this. Right, give it a tug towards you. That will release it off. Because what you've got is you've got these pins here at the back here, look, and they all look okay, and they slide into those, they dock into those rear two bits there, doop, doop, and the same on the other side. So you pull those out. Now you should have 4 of those. We got all those there, George? 2 there, 2 on that, and 2 on that. Right. Our problem is, whoa. Right. So basically, there are 2 types of pins. There's the long pin and the short pin. And as far as I can work out, the short pins go in this flat square bit that goes nearer the seat, and that's the short pin. And I think the process is gonna be the same. But we're talking about the long pin, which I think for there's going to be 9 out of every pins broken. They're going to be long ones, because the length and the leverage you get on them. And basically, mine snapped off. You can see the plastic body. So there's a square metal tube that runs in here, and you can see there's a little fix in that. Now I could drill into it and put a screw into it and try and pull the screw out, but I thought, why don't I just try and hit it in, because it's not going to do any harm having this bit of plastic somewhere in here. It's not going to rattle around. So I'm going to try, this is my plan, of hammering on here and then seeing if we can do it. Now, I've just thought of this as I'm talking now. Right, I've got my carpenter's hammer. What has everyone got against using a carpenter's hammer? I don't know. Right then, I'm going to use my carpenter's hammer and I'm going to try and knock that in. So I've got myself a punch with a flat end. And I'm going to line that up there and I'm going to try and just whack it in. Now, if I do it here, it's just going to slide in. So I guess you could put it in your vice or something, but I'm rather heinously just going to stand on here. Right, let's have a look. Let's see if this works. Oh, look at that. Right, now let's just take a quick measure of the length. And I don't want to be, see, it's not quite long enough. There's a little bit more. Right, that's plenty. Get rid of those little bits there. Right. And let's get, oh, I nearly had the wrong one then. I've lost the long bit. Where's the long pin gone? Here it is. Just that, it's hiding, right? Now, obviously there's 2 ways up this can go. It can go, so what you want is those little, what are we going to call those? Those little curved bits there. Little buttresses. They go against the felt back of the underside. So there we go. Now let's have a look if that will. Alright, that's that one done. Alright, spin it round. I can do that without. Alright, so let's just prove this isn't a fluke. Oh, who's calling me now? Yeah, that was just Craig calling me. Right, here we go. So we're going to put this one in there. So let's see if that last one was a fluke, or whether we can, or whether this is going to break the same. That's got to be the way to do it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that. Gets past that lip. Now I think these new ones are pretty tough. That looks a bit brutal, but I think over time these plastics decay. But I think the new ones, where they haven't been exposed to any sunlight or anything, are alright. Right, let's have a go. Let's put this back. Flip that in there. Flip that over there. Right, that's that in. Right, now those pins now, line in that little groove. There we go. Look at that. Job done. We're all fixed. I was thinking about making a cover or something, but let me know if yours is all a bit, that this back 2 bit doesn't seem too bad, but this front bit, I think everyone just grabs it here and does that with it rather than sort of getting on the special handle bit. But let me know if you think we should make a cover for that. But there you go, good luck with that.